Auto-posting Instagram content to Discord involves two key methods: webhooks and bot automation. Webhooks are automated HTTP post requests triggered by events on Instagram, like a new post, and sent to a specific URL on Discord. This allows instant message updates to a channel without needing a full bot setup. Bot automation uses scripts to periodically check Instagram's API for new content and then posts it to Discord, formatting it with images, captions, and links. This process involves authentication using Instagram's API from Meta for developers and Discord's webhook URL or bot token. Instagram's API limitations may require polling to check for updates every few minutes. For security, always use HTTPS, token rotation, and Discord's role-based permissions. To set up auto-posting Instagram content to Discord, you can use third-party tools like Zapier or Make for a no-code solution. Alternatively, create custom bots using libraries like Discord.js and Instagram Private API for more control. Keep in mind that Instagram's API has rate limits, such as 200 calls per hour, so implement proper error handling to prevent spamming or account bans. Recent trends include AI-enhanced automation for content summarization and predictive posting. Experts emphasize reliability and security. Webhooks are primary for real-time integrations. Adhere to Meta's and Discord's terms of service to avoid penalties. Consider privacy by using encryption and opt-in consents to comply with regulations like GDPR and CCPA.